Discovery Quest is an organization, a movement, we may say, that seeks to change or introduce a perspective, a narrative that covers what the visually impaired are going through. I like taking long trips on my bike, at least once a year. It's something that is really, it's almost a spiritual experience for me. You know, the focus, irrespective of the discomfort, of the risks attached to it. I'm set to go on a quest and seek out interesting stories of the visually impaired. Our estimate was that it was going to take us about 11 hours. And prior to that time, I was very concerned about being physically fit. So with the help of my gym, Fitness Central, my fitness level was assessed and a score was given to me for the trip. Our trip to Calabar was very interesting. We were on the road for 16 hours. Left Lagos about 5 a.m. Of course, a lot of people were traveling during that time because it was in December. There was a lot of traffic. We had flat tires. I had a flat tire. Then, you know, we had to find our way. It wasn't as if we knew the way exactly. So they're keeping in touch with one another. Some people had issues with their bikes apart from the tires. And of course, you get tired, you get dehydrated, you get weak. You need to rehydrate, you need to eat food. I need to keep your energy up because it's 16 hours of being wide awake, 16 hours of focused attention. We know how our roads are, we know how our drivers are. When we got to Calabar, we had a visually impaired person that left Delta by himself to meet up with our crew coming with a car from Lagos.
I'm Odigie Justice Osagi. Presently, I'm the Assistant Secretary of the National Association of the Blind, Delta State Chapter. It was actually when I was in my master's program at the finishing point when I eventually became visually impaired.
We also got the support of the metallic riders in Calabar. They were really helpful. In fact, it was like another family in Calabar.
My name is Aisha Vatsa. I'm also known as Fly Girl, aka First Lady of the Metallic Night MC in Calabar. We're a motorcycle club, and we've drawn interest into the Discovery Quest, which is an initiative that works with the blind.